In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select system and updates, and go to add developer options right here. If you cannot find developer mode under system and updates, just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate developer mode in this Honor, and then smoothly click to open. And now scroll a bit lower where you will notice demo mode, mark it, and here you can smoothly activate demo mode by using the switcher. Now it is active, and when you want to make it visible as well, just click here, and from now on it's also visible. So this is it, that would be all. Whenever you want to switch the demo mode off, just mark the switcher and that's it. So that would be all. This is how you can access demo mode, also how you can switch it off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.